Hello YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. It's like 95 degrees today, and we are at Family Dollar. I like to come here and get Ziploc baggies for nuts and bolts and car parts and stuff like that. They got a pretty awesome selection of ice cream in the back freezer, and they have some gently listened to Sammy Hagar CDs. So let's roll up in there and see if they got Halloween for us today. Okay, I found the Halloween. Wire flamingos and pumpkins together makes no sense. These little banks, sugar skulls. Oh, it's a canister for $5. So I got a white sugar skull, black sugar skull, $2 for salt and pepper shakers. Not too shabby, not cool. I got mugs. Mugs are pretty cool, $2. I got hand soaps. Gotta keep the hip off your hands. Let's see, we got ghost wreaths, pumpkin wreaths. Oh, they got the little glow-in-the-dark bracelets for the trick-or-treaters. It's pretty cool. And they're only $1. So they got a pumpkin ring, they got a ghost stick. Oh, they brought the candles back from last year. $5, get a bleeding candle. They have that same kind of grayish blue steel color. And wax, so that's pretty cool. Alright. Look at these little guys. Little books. I've seen these over the years. Spells. Lights up. He's $5. I don't know about that. Oh man, they got skellies. They got owls for $5. They got vultures for $5. And they got a ton too. Look at all them guys. They got little puppy dogs, $5. Got a bin of spiders. Posable spiders, $3. LED bracelet. Try me, and I will. Oh, those are pretty cool. That's pretty bright. We got other colors? They sure do. There's purple. That's pretty bright. And these are only $1, man. But the kids will love these. You can stick these inside of a pumpkin prop or something like that. That's pretty sharp, man. I'm digging those. Skeleton animal. Alright, so we got a little Skelly Unicorn. He's $1. Got some broken bones and legs in there. Got good sized taller rat. Not too shabby. He's pretty good size. And we got birdies. So they brought the birdies back for $1 a piece. You can't beat that. See, another box of skellies, same thing. We got birdies. We got rats. And little baby unicorns. And they got more stuff up here. See you later. Little cheesy tombstone things. Tattoos. We got a little scythe or a sickle, cleaver. We got a little Jason knife. Looks like it's glow in the dark. Hey, for $1. That's pretty cool for a kid. Cleaver's cool for $1. Paper lanterns for $1. We got purple, orange, white. We got little cloth masks for $1. Purple, pink, black, red. So not too shabby. Got hard plastic masks. These are only $1. So they got Spidey, they got Cap, and they got Iron Man back there. Little head bobbers, spiders for $1. Man, that's pretty cool so far for Family Dollar. Scarves. So we got purple scarves, a pumpkin scarf, another pumpkin scarf with little kettles and stuff on there for witches. So pretty cool, man. They got some pretty decent stuff. They got the fencing. So you want to wrap this around like your little tombstones and stuff. It's only $1 per section. So they got about 9 or 10 here. Pumpkin bags where you fill them out with leaves, unicorns, pumpkins. Oh, they got a pumpkin canister. Check that out. A little cookie jar canister. And he's $5. Yeah, I'm kind of impressed. Not too bad so far. They got a ton of owl mugs. $2 for an owl mug. Man, you should just come here and buy them all. Red owl. Alright. And then vase fillers. Let's keep creeping around and see what else they got. Ooh, we got masks. Our Jason masks for $1. They're thin plastic, need to be stretched out a little bit, but they're fine. Glitter kitties, painting sets for the kids for $1. The masks are pretty cool. That's $5. He's got fur on them, creepy eyes, creepy paint. It's just a hard plastic shell. That's kind of creepy, like some Five Nights at Freddy's stuff. Looks like they're doing pandas as well. What is this guy? Oh, creepy teddy bears. Alright, creepy teddy bear, hanging back up. I got pirates for $3. Well, that's like a foam covered, or it's a fabric covered hard plastic mask with like a felt backing. So they got a skull, $3. Day of the Dead, $3. And these are also, oh, they got a pumpkin back there too for $3. Hooded mask. So these are real thin, like Ben Cooper, for $5. Looks like they got a witch. It's pretty cool. Oh, a damn clown. And they got pumpkin, sort of a pumpkin zombie guy. He's pretty cool. And these big whole head masks. Oh my god, $5. Got unicorns. I'm dropping stuff. They got pumpkins. Alright, and they got actual latex masks. Look at this freaking guy. He's a little half mask with some hair. So he's some sort of a zombie or something. Got Joker. Another one of those. And of course, they got a clown back there. We got a jacked up clown for $7. Look, latex mask for $7. You can put it on a prop and cut it up. So that's not too shabby, Dollar Tree. And they got more stuff over here in the bins we can look at. Got the candy corn. More of the lanterns for $1. Oh, our favorite. Creepy cloth for $1. So they've got the gray and they've got the black. That's pretty awesome. And they got quite a bit of it too. Let's see what else. Got stuff just to give out. Reese's Franken Cups. Peppermints for these guys. Little candy bags. This looks like they got a little vampire. And they got a Frankenstein. He's just full of candy. And they got boogers. Alright, I'm gonna creep around, see what else I can find. Okay, YouTube, so I kind of struck out there. They didn't have any extra Sammy Hagar CDs either, so we're gonna go to the other Family Dollar. It's like, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes away from here or something like that. Let's creep over there and see if they got anything new to add. God damn, it's hot out here. Alright, we made it. We're going into Family Dollar. Let's go inside. Alright, so we're back inside. So these have little statues you can paint. Little ghost, little cat, little haunted house. They get the pepper shakers we saw. The $5 masks again. Same ones, the witch, the pumpkin. Okay, the balloons. Oh, they got the skulls in the hands for $1 a piece. Look at these guys. We didn't see these at the other store. These little statues. $3. So a little bride and a groom. A skeleton. Yeah, so those are different. Alright. We've seen the knives. We've seen the big heads. Pumpkin. And the Jason masks. They also have the owls and the vulture. Alright, let's creep around. See what else we can find. Well, I should have showed you guys light up mini ghouls too. These guys are $5. Alright, I'm gonna shut you off. Alright, let's creep around. Now we'll see what else we can find. Alright guys, looks like that one's it for this one. Just a couple different things. They got a ton of candy though. Pumpkins and fall mix for $1, $2. So, alright guys. I'm gonna keep on virtual shopping for you all summer long. Stay tuned, because we're gonna hit as many places as I can. I'm gonna hit up Dollar General and Dollar Tree. We gotta go get some chains, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.